it is Dr. Fuzzlewort. I am so happy that you are back at my laboratory. So, I have an exciting experiment today. Boys and girls, I have an egg. Just a regular brown egg. Now, I started to wonder, when I was in my laboratory, I wondered if I could make this egg kind of like a bouncy ball. So when you have a bouncy ball, it does not have anything hard like the shell like this, yeah? So our experiment is we are going to see if we can transform this egg with a hard shell. You can hear it's a little bit hard. Well, it is hard, it's a shell, of course. And we're going to use a chemical reaction, okay? So we're going to use this handy dandy vinegar, a jar, and my egg. So my very first job is I have to put my egg in here without it cracking. So very carefully, you put it into the jar. Don't want to drop it. There we go. So the next thing that you need to do is you have to cover it with the vinegar, okay? So I'm going to cover up my egg with the vinegar. So you can see it is at the bottom of my jar. There we go. I think it is all covered up. Okay. Now immediately you can see on your egg lots and lots of little tiny bubbles all over the egg. The egg is already, the vinegar is already starting to attack that shell. Now you need to leave this for a couple of days. So today is day 1, we're going to leave it. We will check back tomorrow and see how we are doing on our bouncy egg. Okay? Until next time, bye-bye. Welcome back, everyone. Okay, we have left our egg in the vinegar for a few days. We checked back the next day and it was not ready yet. So we've left it a few more days, maybe like 4 days or so. Okay, so today we're going to check to see if the reaction of the vinegar has taken the shell off the egg and created just a bouncy egg. So you will remember that we had a raw egg. So not hard-boiled, just a raw egg, okay? So here we go. We're going to take the egg. I have poured out my vinegar before. Okay, it's a little bit yucky. So this is my egg. I'm going to put it just in a little bath of water to wash off the shell. The shell has completely gone. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm just washing that off. So now we have just the regular egg. Now if you look very closely, you can see the yolk inside of here. Okay, just to show you how much difference it is, I have another egg. So you can see how much bigger the egg has grown in the vinegar. Okay, that's amazing. All right. Now the big test is whether or not our egg will bounce and make sure that it's bouncy. So just because this is it's not a hard-boiled egg, I have a dish. Otherwise it could go splat and make a big mess everywhere. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to try, see if it will bounce. Oh, it bounced and it didn't splat. Can you see that? Now it's, oh, I wonder how high I can go without it going splat. Let's see, let's try from this height. Oh, it's very bouncy. So cool. Okay, and thankfully, it does not burst everywhere. Oh! Okay, good thing we have the dish here. Okay, boys and girls, I think we could bounce about 5 times from about this height and Kurzblatt. All right, so boys and girls, you can see this is all that is left with our yolk. I'm very glad that I have the dish here. All right, boys and girls, this is a very neat, interesting experiment. I think I'll get some paper towels. All right, until next time, boys and girls, thank you for keep thinking science with me. It was amazing. That was very fun. Okay, until next time. Bye-bye.